Thank you for coming to the TCL booth. Today we're showcasing our TMN digital signage LCD product lineup. You can see here from here, this is our 98-inch size, which is a brand new introduction to our product lineup that will be shipping out mid of July. So very excited with the availability of that. In terms of the TMN lineup, you have 32-inch all the way up to 115-inch in size, and your normal size as well. So you had 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, 65, 75, 85, 98, 115 inch in size. Most products are all portrait and landscape in size, running off our Android AOSP platform, all the same chipset throughout the entire product line and portfolio for it. Very nice feature that's on this as a value add is a 5-year manufacturer warranty straight out of the box from the factory, so we have a better TCO, total cost of ownership from many other manufacturers out there as a standard. Thank you. Oh, LinkedIn, TCL LinkedIn globalprofessional.com.